Alright, so this is a 9-inch bandsaw. They have what's called tires that hold the blade, the band, to the wheels. I'm going to remove and replace the tire. So you can see the easiest way. So if you try to just stretch this tire over the wheel, you can almost get it, and then it pulls off a lot of the time. But the easiest way that I found to do it, plant one thumb, plant your other thumb, and spin the wheel, kind of like putting your bicycle chain back on. And it'll slip right on. Now you can get back to work. Hopefully you have an extra set of these laying around the shop. Tire replace, 9-inch bandsaw.